Let's go! Let's go take a walk.
Come on, Charlie.
Come on, Charlie. Let's go together.
You don't want to walk down the stairs?
Charlie, Charlie. We are in the Walmart
Yeah.
to get a plunger because suspect is here. 9,000원.
This one seems better. Walk through the store with this?
Hmm?
Just walk through the store with this.
I will.
I
Give
got
me.
it.
I got it.
I got it.
It's not that. If someone asked.
I take big shits. That's
No,
what I'll tell them.
I will tell.
I'll
Something happens
Something happens sometimes.
sometimes.
Yeah.
It's not an embarrassing thing.
No, I'm alright. Take the biggest shits in my life.
Ah, no. This is our gift for them. I hope they are not sleeping.
Day in my life in Hawaii vlog. Oh, that's nice. Birds chirping out there, aren't they? Won't you look up? I don't really know how to do this, but that's my feeling.
Oh, perfect.
Is that okay?
제가 불고기 덮밥을 해보겠습니다. Give me some. 오, 우리 게이지 요리사예요. Please. 우리 게이지가 운동 갔다가 와서 만들었대요.
These are the eggs that Brett gave us.
Fresh eggs. Brett made these eggs so fresh and delicious.
Yeah.
I can feel his 정성을 영어로 뭐라 하지? 정성.
몰라.
Sincerity?
Sincerity.
Sincerity? I haven't eaten the delicious eggs in my life like this.
Well,
Thank you, Brett.
today was your chance. And thank you, Gagey, for cooking it. Oh,
Thank
yeah.
you, Brett, to give us these eggs, and thank you, Gage, to make this.
You're welcome.
And we are gonna make 불고기. 무서워. I already make a list for 소불고기 and 잡채, but I'm not sure I can do this for the first time in my life. But I can do it. When they draw the picture or
Okay. Rice. I know we need rice. What about that one?
여기 쓸 수 있네.
Some. Sriracha for the hiramari will be really good. Even when I'm carrying all the groceries, I still open the door.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
털 복실복실한 게이지가 손으로 고기를 핏물을 빼고 있어요. And I'm gonna put all in here.
Careful.
And do you have a salt? 아, 뜨거. Let's put some.
Well, did you have small plates? We could share like small plates.
This ketchup.
Three rules we can't eat until the oldest person takes the first bite. Very, very good.
So now
So now what?
you know that I'm good at cooking.
Yes, baby.
I haven't cooked before.
You did a wonderful job.
I trust my hands.
Yeah, I'm gonna do cheesecake maybe.
Oh? And how about share? I will go cheesecake and you do a chocolate or something.
Okay, I'll do. Well, if you get cheese, one regular size cheesecake concrete and one regular size straw and a sundae, please. Thank you, sir.
Concrete. Thanks a bunch. Have a good one.
Cool. Have a good one. Thank you.
Thank you.
What do we get for you?
Smell that syrup.
찰리랑 둘이 데이트 가요. We are gonna go to finding mushrooms. We are gonna go to finding mushrooms. 오늘은 버섯 찾기 하러 갈 겁니다. 버섯 찾기도. He let it go, and then when I get close, 갑자기
How was it?
Let's go, let's go. Paige is wearing the same clothes. 귀여워. 무서워.
I'll come at the worst day. Horse dude.
Horse do?
Slobber.
Look at these flowers. Wow, these are all.
Look, see all this chocolate stuff.
Oh.
Come on, sure. And apple jam.
Wow,
apricot,
Jim.
mango jam.
잼 진짜 많아.
Cherry.
How about look at this?
Strawberry, passion fruit.
These are all jam words.
Yeah.
Traffic jam? What is traffic jam?
I don't know. It's maybe a special
Christmas jam?
special blend. It probably says what's in it. on the
Orange
back.
marmalade.
Oh, cinnamon apple. Apple
How about-
cinnamon.
How about that one? This cinnamon apple jam.
Cinnamon apple jelly. Sure. But jam is better than jelly. Jelly is like a jelly.
미쳤어, crazy. Pickles. There are lots of variety of pickles in here. Ghost pepper eggs?
This is eggs and vinegar. If you put eggs in vinegar, they'll last for like 10 years. They won't spoil. Look at those.
This is
That's a
cinnamon.
cinnamon roll. It's a homemade cinnamon roll. Look at
The
all
big
ice.
one?
Well, I mean, you cut them. Look at all the icing.
Okay.
Like so much frosting. So much icing.
Look at this. What a nice, beautiful day. Oh, this is the country. Always thank you. Hi, Rainbow.
It's really nice.
Mine is yourself. 와우, 여기 봐봐. 신라면도 있고. 신라면 맛있는데. 짜파게티. Cage's cooking.
And now suddenly it's cooking. I'm happy to do it, baby, even if I don't seem happy. Shit. Yeah, I know. I made fun of you earlier. I know. Just give it a drizzle on there. You gotta open it first.
Like this?
No, no! Oh my god. 예수님 저에게 축복을 내려주십시오, 제발.
아.